Hi, awesome ones. And before I get into this video, I just want to say a really big thank you. Thank you for all the positive comments. I especially like the ones that say I'm like a personal stylist for you and how much you love a lot of the fashions that I'm modeling. There's actually quite a lot of factors that go into me choosing these styles for you. They have to be functional, they have to be comfy, and also, made for a more mature woman with curves. So let's get into this video with 20 fashion pieces chosen by you in the last 60 days. And they're going to be modeled by me, someone who I really feel like I'm aging with attitude and really feeling awesome over 50. So let's count down, starting at number 20, 19, and 18. All three are in one outfit. It's a look that I've worn a lot this summer for festivals, visiting friends, and just walking. I love the wick-away sweat Jack Smith top and how the ribbing gives the illusion of bringing in my waist. It's available for around $30 and in 6 colors. The skirt is actually a skort with shorts built in, and although it's available in 28 colors and patterns for $59, I chose black for this outfit. The water bottle bag also made it onto the list at about $24, and it holds a lot more than just water. It can hold my large cell phone and lots of other extras that I'd usually take in a purse. And of course, I'll have all of these fashions in the video description and also in the comments. And I just want to say right now how happy I am that you are enjoying the new petite section. I mean, I found some great brands. I found NYDJ, Lands' End, Lee Jeans, The Gap, and many more participating. So it's definitely a section that I'm going to keep on expanding for you. All right, so let's take a look at picks number 17 and 16. So you were definitely loving the skorts, and this is another brand from Belief at about $40. You love the longer length, and I actually have this skort in navy, purple, and white. They have front pockets plus a zippered back pocket, and of course the lightweight shorts are built in. The Under Armour Wick Away the Sweat top was also one of your favorites at $25, and it comes in many other colors. It's a great go-to outfit for hot weather. And just a note, if you're still kind of on the fence about a skort, I love the skorts, I must say. I love the way that they don't bunch up like the shorts do. And also, if you're wondering about the little shorts underneath, take a look. Like, this is like a gauze material, so it's just like wearing undies. And I also like the fact that I'm a little modest, so if I'm wearing a skort and the wind blows up, you're seeing the little shorts underneath. You're not seeing all the rest of me. Anyway, so I just wanted to mention, though I got it backwards, well, at least you can see the little pocket in the back and the pocket in the front. It's also a bit tummy hugging as well on this Belief one, so I just thought I'd mention this right now. Okay, so let's move on to 3 more items that you picked, and these ones kind of surprised me. Now, these next items really still help you with your style, and let's start off with the John Frieda Dream Curls. You really love this, and you really loved the way that I was curling my hair, so this is what I was using, and it's a mousse. All you have to do is put a little bit, a little bit like that on your hand, and then I kind of scrunch it up and push it through my hair, kind of the scrunch method. Now, I do have curly hair, naturally curly hair, but it can work to give you kind of a little bit of a something there. Also, what you also loved was the aesthetic, my hands are all sticky, Aesthetica brow kit. And this one, it's a great kit for about $40, especially if you're kind of losing your your brows like I am. It comes with stencils, so it gives you the perfect shape and the powder, and there's even a little bit of wax there. So again, great choices, you guys. The other one that I was kind of surprised at was the steamer that we use all the time. It's got a really long cord. It's available for $37, and look at the reservoir on this. Like, this doesn't conk out, you know, after one dress. And especially in the summertime, we're wearing a lot of slinky dresses, and this comes in handy. Also comes in handy in your luggage. So I love that these are your favorites, and they certainly do correlate to favorites of mine. And if you like videos like this, done by a woman who's certainly not in her 20s, I would love for you to subscribe here. And don't forget to click on the bell. There's a button down there somewhere. Also, let's keep going with this video. Number 12 and number 11. So I mentioned travel, and these Shack packs were chosen, where you get 5 of them in different sizes for around $22. I love to use these to separate my undies, tops, lounging clothes, and more in my luggage. You also really love this beautiful raincoat for $46 that is long in the back with a stylish pull-in waist, zippered pockets, and a hood, and it comes in 22 colors. And check out how it fits in a handy pouch for travel, or just put it in your beach bag or car. And of course, you can find all of my favorite fashions and makeup, skincare, even housewares at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50. And I just want to say here that I do make a little bit of commission on this, and since this is my only job, it really kind of helps to keep the studio lights on, so to speak. So a really big thank you for that. All right, let's take a look at number 10 and 9. Many of you bought this fun jumpsuit at $39, and I picked it in black because, well, you don't buy a lot of jumpsuits, and I could dress it up with jewelry and high heels, or dress it down as I did here with a straw hat and bag. And here's another one of your favorites, the leopard print Crocs, and they're about $30. These are fabulous, and I really do wear these quite a bit. Notice the arch support here, and also it has a cushioned heel, which is great. Lots of traction on the outside sole, but also on the inside. And I find that that really helps, you know, if you're swimming or something and your feet are all kind of slushy, because they don't slide as much. Now we're getting close to the top 2 items, and I couldn't agree more. They certainly are winners. But let's take a look at number 8, 7, and 6. They were the cover-ups, and first the lace one for $40, which adds so much to an ordinary outfit. And also the turquoise cover-up that's like a kimono for $30, but I really like to tie it in the front. And thirdly, the back from Bali overtops that are light as a feather, especially if you want to hide your arms. I have them in black, red, turquoise, and white, and they're just around $28. And please don't forget to use the size chart and make sure that you know your measurements before ordering. All right, so it's time for number 5, 4, and 3. First, we're going to start with this great top. And again, don't forget to do your measurements for this one before ordering. It was a real popular pick in the houndstooth design for $33. Although there were many other patterns, this was my favorite. Next were the NYDJ jeans, you know, stands for Not Your Daughter's Jeans, and these also come in petite. They're about $119, and you'll probably have them for years. They have a built-in tummy tuck panel to pull in your belly, plus super stretch and a high waistband. I'm wearing the Sherry Slim style, and the color is Habana. I'm also wearing the stretchy belt, which was a pick of yours. And this skinny stretchy belt, it comes in a set of 3 colors for $17. And that, of course, came in at number 3. So, drum roll please. All right, we're gonna take a look at number 2 and number 1. And don't forget to stay till the end because I'm going to have an inspirational message for you. It's the Warner's No Side Effect bras. And the beige one came in at number 2 and the black one came in at number 1. And I'm just going to show you in just a second how these work. They really help to bring in, you know, the side here, that kind of fatty part, and it really does bring things in a little bit. So let's take a look. And you know what? The last time I checked, these bras were 50% off. So I hope when you see this, they're also 50% off. Let's check out the 2 different looks. So here I am in the before picture. Notice the flabbiness underneath my arms. But here I am with the No Side Effects bra on. And I gotta tell you, I have a lot more confidence when I wear these bras. And isn't that what putting on an outfit is all about? I know that with these bras, I can wear sleeveless tops and dresses now and feel great. And by the way, it's okay if the side of the bra shows out a little. I'm so happy to read in the comments that a lot of you are making me your personal stylist. And I have to tell you, I take hours and hours to look at different styles and to look at the reviews and to make the choices for you, because you know what? After all, I'm going to be wearing those items as well. And I just want to take this moment to thank you from the bottom of my heart for being here and just for making my day with all of your comments. And for me, that's just one more way you're making my life just a little more awesome.